Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. And now I want to tell you about the distinction between the sound us and the, of and the. So, the distinction between the sounds lies in their voicing and manner of articulation. Let's break it down and provide examples for each pair of sounds. The first one is us and the. Us sounds is an unvoiced sound, which means that only the airflow is used to produce the sound without any vocal cord vibration. It is a fricative sound produced by forcing air through a narrow opening between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. Example words like sun, sit, and bus. Z sound. Z is the voiced counterpart of us sound, meaning that it is produced with vocal cord vibration. The manner of articulation and placement of the tongue are the same as us sounds, but vocal cords are engaged, creating a vibration. Example words like zoo, zip, and crazy. The second one is of and the. Of sound is an unvoiced sound produced by blowing air through a narrow opening between the lower lip and the upper teeth. Like us sounds, it is a fricative sound without vocal cord vibration. Example words like fun, coffee, and after. V sound. V is the voiced counterpart of sound. It is produced in the same manner of sound, but with the added vibration of the vocal cords. Example words like van, voice, and love. But guys, remember, when pronouncing this sound, focus on the vibration of your vocal cords. For us and of, the vocal cords shouldn't vibrate, while for the and the, they should vibrate. Okay? That's from me. Thank you for watching. I'm Faisal Alif and bye bye.